Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to travel in Sri Lanka without spend too much money. If you want to explore this beautiful island and save your cash, you are in the right place. Let's begin. Let's start with flights and visas. To find cheap flight tickets, you can check websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. Book early to get the best price. Also, you can apply visa online. It's called ETA. It's cost about $35. It's simple and valid for 30 days. Sri Lanka's money is called Sri Lankan rupee. A budget traveler usually spends $25 to $40 each day. Keep some cash with you for urgent situations. Also, you can use apps like XE or Wise to check exchange rate. Traveling in Sri Lanka is very cheap. Use buses and trains. They are very low cost and fast. Try the train ride from Colombo to LA. It's very beautiful ride. For short trips, use tuk-tuks. Always ask the price before you ride. There are many budget places to stay in Sri Lanka like hostels, villas, homestays. Rooms can cost just $10 to $30 per night. Use booking.com and Airbnb to find them. Also, you can check reviews before booking. Sri Lankan's food is tasty and low budget. Try local foods like steam hoppers, rice and curry, hottu roti. There are many places to visit without spending a lot. Visit beaches, waterfalls, temples and national parks. For examples, you can go Ella Rock, Adams Peaks or Gold Fort. Get a local SIM card and activate a package according to number of days you will be visiting in Sri Lanka. Are you planning to come Sri Lanka? We can help you to plan your trip. Call us on this number.